Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we are going to see the three remaining error results. The first one is value error, second one is number error or hash num error, and the third one will be the reference error. Right now it is not prompting because everything is correct. I will create that error and I will show you. Fine. So let us see the first error, that is the value error. You can see here, right, the value error. Now why this error is prompting? Because if you write the invalid data or you provide invalid argument to the function, then this error prompts. You can clearly see that in this average function, okay, I have written D5 is to D9. From this up to this point everything is okay, but after that by mistake I have written the double quotes. So let me remove those double quotes and let us see what will be the result. So backspace and enter. Now you can observe that the result is what? The result is 40. That value error goes. Now see, the here 100, 200, 300, there are three numbers and I am calculating the sum of those numbers. Sum is what? 600. 100 plus 200 plus 300 is 600, correct? And observe the formula carefully. Formula is also correct. Sum equal to D13, D14, D15, means I am adding 3 cells. Fine. What I am doing here now is I am deleting row number 14. You can observe the row number is 14. I am deleting that row. As soon as I delete that row, the error prompts. What error prompts? See, the error is hash ref, that is reference error. Why it is showing that error? Because dear students, we were adding D13, D14 and D15, but what we have done then, we have deleted the D15 row. You can see sum of D13 hash ref means we have deleted that row and then D14. So the error is prompting. So let me go back and correct this error. See, now the error has been corrected. Let us see the num error. This error prompts basically when we try to produce the number which is very large. Now here I have written the formula K11, that is the data. See, the data is 5000, it is K11, and power to the K12. So 5000 raised to 1000. Think on it, the data will be very much large. 5000 raised to how much? So here is 5000, 5000, okay. Multiplication of this number how many times? 1000 times. It will produce a very large number. So that is why the num error is prompting. So you just simplify that. How will you simplify? You just make it 10. Now you can see the result, okay, because the result is in the range. It is not that much large. Fine. Now let us see what is the AutoSum feature. So see, there are how many numbers? 4 numbers are there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What I will do here is in the last cell, okay, in the last cell after 5, 6, 7, 8, the last cell is empty. I will calculate the sum. So go to the AutoSum. It is just in the editing tab. You can see here editing is the group. In editing group you have to click on the arrow next to the AutoSum. So this is the down arrow. So let me click on it, down arrow, and select the sum function. You can see sum, average, count numbers, max, min, and etc. So sum will calculate the sum of those number, average will calculate the average of those number. Count numbers means simply it will count how many numbers are there in the given range. Max will calculate the highest number in the range, and min will calculate the minimum number. So let us see one by one. Let me first try the sum feature. So sum will calculate the sum of numbers. Enter. The sum of these numbers is 26. Okay. Now go to the average button, click on average. Observe the formula has been changed. It is average D4 to D7. Enter. See the average is 6.5. Correct. Now find the minimum and maximum. You can also count the number. There are 4 numbers, no doubt. So count function is used. Count format is same. D4 is to D5. It will count there how many numbers are there in between D4 to D7. So click enter button. 4 is the result. Similarly, you can try all these functions, okay, on computer. If you have computer, you can try these functions. So that's it for today's session. In case of any queries or doubts, you can contact me on my personal number. So hope you understood today's session. Thank you very much. Bye.